Don't even worry about it. Y'all asked me to document me doing this wig, and I asked y'all, how do I get it white? And y'all said, a lot of y'all said just to tone it, but then there were people who felt so strongly they went to DM me and told me that I had to bleach it. It is sitting here getting re-bleached. All I really did was section it out. This is where the lace ends. You see that little weft? Ew, why am I touching it? And so I just bleached that part up, and I took the roots of each piece, and, you know, bleached it like that. So this is my 4th time bleaching. After I wash it out, I'm going to tone it with Wella Toner and T18 and some 40 Developer. And I use 40 Developer for the bleach too. And I use L'Oreal Quick Blue and then Clairol BW the first time around. This time it's Quick Blue. That's where I'm at right now, just waiting. Just know it happened. I think I had bleach on my tongue. Yeah. So here I just used all of the Wella toner and made sure the developer covered the bottom of the plastic bowl kind of like halfway, and that's how I mixed it. Then here I'm just, you know, parting, applying. And I would recommend you use gloves. I didn't think I had to use gloves, so I didn't use gloves here. I don't know, I've never toned before, so I didn't expect to have to use gloves, but I was getting my fingers tore up. Yes, so I would recommend you use gloves here.
You came over here to me, remember?
Okay, so here I was just taking the time to create baby hairs into my wig. I thought it was filming better than it was, but I could see my arm would get in the way most of the time. I actually cropped out most of the frames where my arm is in the way, and this is what I got. So yeah, I just take an eyebrow shaver and, you know, cut down the edges, and here's me sleeking them. Boom. Okay, hey, hello. It's hours later. I straightened, please excuse him in the background. I straightened and, you know, do my little thing.
What? I may have seen that big ass back swing over his head.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. It's a little brassy still at the transition, but insert picture here. I'm kind of okay with that, how that looks, because of the inspiration I had behind even doing this hairstyle, and I kind of did like it how it looked like that. So I guess I'm okay with this. I'm about to take pictures.